Hello guys! Yan. Welcome to our channel. My name is Nix and today I'm just going to show you how I follow the makeup tutorial done by Miss Catriona Gray from Miss Universe 2018. Congratulations nga pala Miss Catriona Gray sa iyong success. Yan, so I believe na napakadami ng preparation mo. So ang daming effort. So sobrang proud na proud kami as Filipino sa iyong ginawa. And I really admire your beauty and your personality. So congratulations talaga. Yan. So ngayon, meron akong pinapanood dito. Yan. Yung kanyang makeup tutorial. Okay? So, hindi man kami pareho ng beauty products na, ayun, nahawak nga namin. I mean, yung availability. Pero sisikapin ko na magaya yung same na color na gagawin niya. So, this is the daily or everyday simple look by Miss Catriona Gray. Okay? So, let's start.
It's Catriona here, and I'm here to do a very simple, everyday makeup look that I like to do in my day-to-day life. I hope that you guys can pick up some tips and tricks. So I'm here today at Novotel, and I've got all my makeup in front of me. For every day, I just like to use my compact, because later on when we do lipstick, it's good to have a nice moist base to apply our lipstick onto. For every day, I just...
So first, nag-apply siya ng lip balm to moisturize na raw yung lips. So I'll be using Naturi Aloe. Okay. So let's continue.
Use my compact bronzer as an eyeshadow, but
hindi siya gumamit ng ano. Hindi siya gumamit ng face powder to cover her face. So I think nag-skip siya doon. Or maybe, kasi nga natural look, pwede namang walang foundation, diba? Kasi everyday look, parang lalabas ka lang. So, syempre, we are going to follow this. So, I'll be using na lang a loose powder instead of a compact foundation powder. Using yung same brush na ginamit niya, a fluff one. Okay? So, let's do this. So, dito siya naglagay under the eyebrow. Sorry guys kasi tingnan nyo, medyo madami pang mga hindi pa ako nagbubunot ng kilay. Okay. So, we're done. Hindi naman oily yung face ko, so no problem. Saka malinis naman yan. So, let's continue.
Any good warm brown will do. So, taking this color right here, which is just a nice warm brown.
Nga pala guys, if you want to watch yung makeup tutorial na to by Catriona Gray, I will going to link down below. Okay, sa under this video yung ano, sa description box yung link nga ng video niya na ito sa YouTube. So,
I'm going to take that.
Ang ginawa niya, okay, ganitong shade yung napili niya. Yung warm brown lang. Yung warm brown. Okay. So, nilagay niya around her crease para natural ang look. Okay. So, ito siya. Parang ang haggard ng buhok ko. Okay. So, we're done. Next.
A general wash of color. Now for this step, also my nickname's Cat, so it's very fitting.
So, ano yun? Same shade ang same shade yung gamit niya. So, cat eye, up or down. Sige, try natin yung cat eye na yan. Sige. Upward daw para medyo cat ang look. Yan. Nga pala guys, nandito yung baby ko. Kaya kung may maririnig kayo na boses ng baby ko yun. Yan. Okay. Yan.
I'll use it.
So, kanina, gumamit siya ng medyo orange na shade. Sige.
Like I'm doing a V. So what I like to do, and I think what's really pretty, is get any kind of metallic gold or bronze shade that you have. I'll use this one just here. It's like a nice light rose gold. And then just use your finger. Don't need to be all fancy and technical with the brushes. Use your finger and then just put it on the center of your lip. Yeah, so that's the...
Ang gamit niya is yung rose gold. Ito. Yan. So, sabi niya, put it on the center of your lid. I don't know exactly if this is the rose gold na binabanggit niya. Yung shimmery daw, or ito. So, pero dahil rose gold, itong gagamitin natin. So, in the middle of your eye daw. Okay. Gamit ang finger. Yan. So, ayusin natin to. Hindi kasi ako ma-eyeshadow eh. So, since nawala ako dito, liquid eyeliner lang kasi yung meron ako dito. So, ang gagamitin ko na lang eyeliner is yung powder using an angled brush. Angled brush. Aha. So, I'm going to do it kagaya ng ginawa niya under the following daw yung yung lash line mo. So, dito niya sa ilalim ginawa. Para natural nga naman yung look. Parang meron ba? Ayan. May dumi pa. Okay. I don't know guys if you see it. Okay, sa kabila naman. Yan.
So there's my tight line done. It can totally and everyday no makeup.
So, ayan, naglagay siya ng konting wing pero using a cream liner para daw i-exage ng konti yung ayan, yung
Technique about putting mascara. For
Mascara.
me anyway, that I find.
hindi niya masyadong inismudge yung mascara niya sa kanyang lashes. So, ganito niya ginawa. Yan lang. Simple. Okay. Meron lang akong brush at brow cream. So, ang gagawin natin, ang sabi niya ay small strokes lang daw para natural lang. Tapos, wag daw maglalagay ng highlighter dito. Hindi siya naglagay ng highlighter dito. Okay. Small strokes, tapos fill in lang daw. Small strokes. Fill in lang daw yung mga parang natural looking daw. hindi raw maganda raw yung yung maglagay ng shimmer under your eyebrow during daylight nga kasi it will look crazy nga. Nga naman, kasi maliwanag na nga tapos shimmering pa, diba? Siguro maganda siya pagka nighttime looks, ganon.
My face. For me, I like to just use concealer to do like a spot coverage. So I'll go in with my little bit there, a little bit around my nose.
Inuna niya yung yung
A little bit on top of my nose just to
eye makeup, no?
like,
Kesa sa
my
foundation
match the rest of my
or
face.
sa concealer.
Tap, tap, tap.
Parang hinuli niya talaga yung concealer.
You get a nice big powder
Ako
brush.
kasi inuuna ko, pero
And then your compact. Could be any powder compact. I mean, I like applying it with a brush. Why? Even though it comes with a sponge, I mean, if you apply it with a brush, it gives a lighter coverage, whereas a sponge is if you want to really like heavier coverage. But now that I've set my concealer,
so, ang ginawa niya, naglagay pa siya ng concealer dito para nga raw magpantay nga naman yung kulay daw. Okay. Ng sa cheeks.
so this is the
Liquid
and cheek roller in the
or
color
cream
Toast
blush.
Over.
So,
I'm going to apply just a little
pwede
bit
siya.
on my fingers and work real fast because it dries really fast.
so ginawa niya,
Blend.
naglagay lang siya sa oops, papadami. Naglagay lang siya dito sa kanyang kamay and then OMG, what have I done? Yan. So, yan.
On like the apples of my cheeks. It
Apples
looks
of
natural,
your
like
cheek.
it sinks into your skin and blending
Small,
brush.
fluffy blending brush.
I just get a little bit on your brush.
Champagne yung color. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko kasi liquid yung nandyan eh. Powder yung ginamit niya kasi.
My brow, just a little bit on the forehead. So I'll go ahead and just.
So, ang sabi niya, hanap daw tayo ng pinaka mataas dito na na part sa face natin. Tapos, doon daw natin siya ilagay. Yung mas bony na part. Ayun. Okay. Yan, hindi ko alam kung kita niyo siya. Kita na ba siya? Tudugan natin. Tada! Yan. So, done.
Oh, it's so pretty. I love highlighter. You can see this.
So, yung gamit nga pala niya rito, no, i-skip ko na. Kasi napanood ko na naman siya kanina. Wala kasi akong lipstick. So, meron akong gamit dito na, yun, may pagka-rose na peach na color na pink. Okay, na, ayan, lipstick. So, light, matte yung gamit niya. Matte rin naman to. This is from Nishido. So, syempre, para ma-achieve natin yung medyo dark yung color niya. So, nag-mimix tayo. Yan. So, kuha na yung color niya. So, hindi man kuhang-kuha, pero ganito yung almost ganito yung gamit niya na color. Okay. So, this is it. Yan. Ito ang ating
don't need to be fancy. This. So it's just a really pretty everyday color. It's just a sweet pink. If you're going out with friends, cinema, or even to wear to office or even school, I think it's appropriate.
Ayan, so this is Catriona Gray's simple daily makeup look. So, ayan, wala siyang foundation na ginamit, kaya natural lang yung look natin. Hopefully guys, that you like this video na aking shinare. So if you like this video, please hit thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this para makita nyo pa yung mga pagmumukha namin. Joke lang. Eh yun, thank you so much.